Getting set up on the EXtrance platform is a simple process, backed by sophisticated technology. We'll take on the drudgery of onboarding, so your fund and its investors easily acclimate to a solution they'll actually want to use. Our team, including your dedicated account manager, will migrate your fund's data into our system and work closely with you to customize your platform experience. They'll set the most relevant KPIs and investment stats, as well as custom roles and permissions within your fund to maintain control. After the initial setup is complete, the platform will sync with your existing reporting processes, ingesting and transforming your data into actionable KPIs in just minutes automatically. EXtrance's advanced data-to-dashboard process delivers crystal-clear analytics infused with AI and machine learning. The technology automates reporting and provides insights into investments at every level. When you upload monthly reports to one user-friendly location, you unlock updated fund dashboards and monthly property-level performance reporting, plus other quick-glance valuable statistics. Selected team members can toggle between investments, time periods, and different portfolio views. With unprecedented customizability and client access to EXtrance's leading software development resources, our platform is tailored to align with your fund. EXtrance powers effective decision-making backed by real-time data to deliver consistent, risk-adjusted returns. Get started at extrance.io/contact.